Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. Today we have for you 10 of the coolest gadget gifts that you can buy now on Amazon and AliExpress. From drones that can shoot to top-of-the-line robots that can be interacted with in augmented reality, this list has all the cool stuff you can imagine. There are even gadgets under $50 for those of you on a gifting budget. Links to all the products will be down in the description, so without further ado, let's get started. The first gift can work for children and adults alike. This set of laser tag guns will bring hours of fun to whoever is lucky enough to receive it. This set includes everything you need for battle, a gun and a wireless vest. Skill not included and will have to be acquired separately. These guns have 150 feet shooting range and realistic sound effects. Up to 4 different team colors are included. The best part is each gun has 4 different shooting options to choose from. Each option does custom amounts of damage. Pistol mode does accurate single shots, machine gun does rapid fire, shotgun does lots of damage and has less ammo capacity, and if you really have a grudge against an opponent, use the rocket launcher setting for major damage. But you better not miss because you'll be dead before you can reload. The guns can also be switched into receiver mode if you don't want to bother with the vests. Although if you play without a vest, you will be giving up the LED life indicator function that helps you keep track of how many lives you have left. The best part is there's no need to connect or pair, so you can buy additional sets as needed. The sets come in 2-player or 4-player packs. If you're having a hard time choosing between a drone and RC airplane as a gift, we say both. Why not have both? Wrapped into one awesome flying machine. This cool item can work as both an airplane and a quadcopter. With just one switch, this plane can go from hover mode into flight mode. This aircraft adapts a 6-axis gyroscope plus air pressure sensor for altitude hold, making this easy to control even for a beginner. But once you learn to master this, you can switch it into aerobatic mode and see what this aircraft can really do. The flying time is 11 to 12 minutes for vertical flight and 15 to 16 minutes for horizontal flight. We love this interesting take on an RC aircraft that's ready to fly out of the box. Aircraft battery and remote are included. Only thing standing between whoever's day you're planning to make with this gift and fun is the 4 AA batteries needed for the remote that are not included. Now this is a unique item that's not exactly a new invention, but would make for an interesting gift. This soccer themed Sphero mini packs a ton of fun into a tiny programmable robot the size of a ping pong ball. Equipped with a gyroscope, accelerometer, and colorful LED lights, this app-enabled robotic ball lets you play games and code using free apps. It also comes with a drive and kick mode that allows you to control the robot toy in several ways with the app, using joystick, slingshot, or tilt mode. Or try your shot at a goal with the soccer-themed kick drive feature. Included with the Sphero Mini are 3 traffic cones and 6 bowling pins to inspire obstacle course fun right out of the box. Now if you're watching this because you want to get the next item as a gift for your kids or grandkids, I suggest you buy 2. Because you'll want to play with it too, and sharing does not come naturally to children. It might ruin the special day when you guys are fighting over this item. This cool robot features app control. You can create custom animation protocols using block-based programming, customized by uploading your face and recording audio phrases, and control the robot's lights, motors, and sounds using a mobile device. But the best part is the augmented reality missions you can complete with this robot. Become immersed in augmented reality missions to build up your Iron Man MK50 robot's arsenal of nanotech weaponry. As you complete different levels, earn new weapons, and update your armor to take on greater threats. Encounter specialized enemy drones inspired by Iron Man's iconic villains. This robot is sure to impress. This next item is simple but fun and helps your loved ones be seen and safe. The bright attention-getting ring of light created by these LED spoke lights give you and your family members important side visibility while providing a fun pop of color to any ride. These bicycle lights are weather and shock resistant and are housed in a tough plastic casing. With the Disco Select LED technology, you can choose the color of your light with the press of a button, or leave it cycling through color change in disco mode. This bright bike wheel light presses and slides securely into place on common 3-spoke cross pattern wheels. Regardless of the size or type of bike, attach and ride confidently. Now if you're tired of all the tech and electronics, here is something that requires no batteries. This kit includes a Gen 4 Strato launcher and Strato fins, which are screw-on water bottle rocket fins. It also comes with a fill funnel. This launcher can propel a 2-liter plastic soda pop bottle over 350 feet in the sky. It supports most soda bottles at air pressures as low as 15 psi and up to 120 psi. This kit is fully upgradable and expandable. This can be a fun activity to do with your kids or grandkids. So this next item is for kids only, unless you're really into arts and crafts. I doubt this would make an interesting gift for an adult. But it goes on our list because, well, kids usually get fun gifts. Adults, we get socks. This gift is a fun way for your kid to play with clay and release their creative side and improve coordination. Our next item is something for a wider range of gift recipients. This 3D pen would make a great gift to someone who's creative, and it can serve a wide variety of purposes. Watch imagination come to life with the help of a 3D pen. This is not for kids only. Adults can have fun with this too. Challenge your friends to see who can make a cooler sculpture. The possibilities are endless. A 3D pen can also be useful. It can be used to mend 3D prints or weld 3D printed parts together. Our next item is an interesting take on the quadcopter. This item is made by Parrot, and it has been some time since its release. And from what we can tell, it never really took off, but you can still find them for sale on several websites, and is definitely an interesting concept. This drone can have attachments mounted on it, and we feel like it gives it more utility. Just flying around can get boring rather quickly. This just adds another layer of challenges and fun that can be had. And last but not least is the POWERUP 4.0, the next generation smartphone controlled paper airplane kit. Once again, this item has been around in several different variations over the years, but this is the latest and greatest of those. Grab a sheet of paper, fold it, and go. Instantly put yourself in the cockpit of an amazing smartphone controlled paper airplane that does high-speed tricks. The Bluetooth module, which includes autopilot control, connects to your phone so you can experience the sensation of flying countless paper, foam, and even balsa wood airplane models. Don't have any of those? Grab some lettuce out of the fridge and get flying. Loops, barrel rolls, and other tricks achieved with a special acro mode. Your paper plane's onboard computer automatically calibrates the paper airplane for imperfect weather with built-in launch assistant and wind stabilizer. New hobbyists, tinkerers, and students can become a flight controller easily. A 30-minute quick charge gives you 10 minutes of flight time along with an incredible range of 230 feet, traveling up to 20 miles per hour. A near indestructible heavy-duty carbon fiber body includes a nylon reinforced nose and motor mount. The paper airplane is designed to withstand bumps, bangs, and even an unexpected crash. If your paper airplane flies out of range, the onboard computer will land it by itself. Well, that wraps up our list, and we hope you found something useful to get for that one special person in your life. The person who needs these items and won't be able to live without them, which is you. So after you finish buying these for yourself, don't forget to subscribe because we hope to see you next time. Have a great day.